Here back at the shop at Global Hybrid Batteries. Currently, we're at the Delta, BC location. We are based all across Canada, so in Mississauga, Ontario, and Montreal, Quebec. We also do ship batteries Canada wide. Feel free to visit our website, globalhybridbatteries.ca. So today we're working on a 2020 Highlander. We're working on a 2020 Toyota Highlander today. This is an Uber driver, so the car does have quite a bit of mileage on it. Everything has its lifespan. The hybrid batteries, they either give out due to high mileage, or the older the vehicle, the more of a chance the battery will give out. Also working on a Toyota Camry here, going to have this hybrid battery installed shortly. Feel free to visit us at any of our three locations. We'll try our best to help you out. Follow us on social media as well. We're on TikTok, YouTube, Instagram. This car was sitting here for a long time, so the battery drained. The car does need to be started every 10 days or so for about an half an hour, so the battery gets charged up again. So let's diagnose the 2020 Highlander here. So we have started with removing the hybrid battery. So first we would have to remove the seats here. Something to keep in mind is all these Highlanders, they have air vents. So these would need to be cleaned every so often, just so the air can circulate through the battery and keep the battery cool. So they're on both sides, on this side here and also on the other side here as well. And then for some of the older Highlanders, you'd find them on the front of the seat. I can show you what I mean right here. So they would be found right here. So just something to keep in mind to maintain your hybrid battery. Keep an eye out for those fans. Come by the shop. We can always help you take care of that as well. If you take a look at this one, it does need to be blasted with air to clean out all that dust there. So we remove the seats. This is how the hybrid battery is looking. You have two cooling systems. So on each side of it, there's a cooling system. Pretty soon here, we're going to have this lifted out. So we have removed the hybrid battery. There it is there. That's the 2020 Highlander hybrid battery. That's how it looks once it's out of the vehicle. Now we're going to install our battery. So this is our global hybrid battery. This one here comes with an 18-month warranty, unlimited kilometers. All our batteries come with a warranty and unlimited kilometers. So let's start the car here and make sure everything is running fine. Car is in ready mode, no engine light, everything is looking good. We diagnosed the car as well, no faults. Hybrid control pass, no faults. So everything is looking great. This car is ready to go back on the road, free of any hybrid issues. So now we're going to put back the seats, so shouldn't be much longer here. And thanks for watching, guys. Once again, feel free to visit us. We carry all makes and models of hybrid vehicles. And once again, we are located across Canada, Ontario, British Columbia, and Quebec. Feel free to Google our company. Give us a call if you have any questions. Once again, thanks for watching, guys. I hope you enjoy the rest of your day.